Cajun chicken pasta with coconut cream sauce is a delightful fusion of flavors, combining the spicy kick of Cajun seasoning with the richness of coconut cream. Here's a step-by-step guide to making this delicious dish. Serve the Cajun chicken pasta with coconut cream sauce hot, garnished with fresh herbs like chopped parsley or cilantro, if desired. This Cajun chicken pasta with coconut cream sauce is a harmonious blend of spicy and creamy flavors, making it a unique and delicious dish. Adjust the level of Cajun seasoning to your taste, and enjoy. Welcome to Oscar Island Style, your virtual gateway to a culinary paradise where the flavors of the tropics come to life in every dish. I'm your host, Oscar, and I'm here to take you on a mouth-watering journey through the vibrant and exotic world of island-inspired cooking. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner in the kitchen, you've come to the right place to explore the tantalizing tastes and rich cultural heritage of island cuisine. From sizzling jerk chicken to refreshing coconut-infused cocktails, we've got it all covered. So, grab your apron, dust off your taste buds, and get ready to embark on a culinary adventure that will transport you to the sunny shores of the Caribbean, the Pacific, and beyond. Subscribe now and hit that notification bell so you never miss a delicious moment on Oscar Island Style. Cajun chicken pasta with coconut cream sauce is a delightful fusion of flavors, combining the spicy kick of Cajun seasoning with the richness of coconut cream. Here's a step-by-step guide to making this delicious dish. The list of ingredients and cooking instructions are in the description. Ingredients: for the Cajun chicken: 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, 2 tablespoons Cajun seasoning, store-bought or homemade, 2 tablespoons olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. For the coconut cream sauce: 1 can, 14 ounces, of coconut milk, 1 cup chicken broth, 2 cloves garlic, minced, half a cup diced tomatoes, half a cup sliced bell peppers, red, green, or yellow, half a cup sliced red onion, 1 tablespoon Cajun seasoning, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 pound bag of your favorite frozen mixed vegetables, 1 tablespoon of Better Than Bouillon, chicken-based, 1 tablespoon of dry thyme, 1 tablespoon of herbes de Provence, salt and pepper to taste. For the pasta: 8-ounce penne or your choice of pasta. Instructions: prepare the chicken. Pound the chicken breasts to an even thickness, about ½ an inch thick. Season both sides of the chicken breasts with Cajun seasoning, salt, and pepper. Heat olive oil on a skillet over medium-high heat. Add the seasoned chicken breasts and cook for about 5 to 6 minutes on each side or until they are cooked through and have a nice char. You can also grill the chicken breasts. Remove from the skillet and set aside. Cook the pasta. While the chicken is cooking, boil the pasta according to the package instructions until al dente. Drain the pasta and set it aside. Make the coconut cream sauce. In the same skillet used to cook the chicken, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Add the minced garlic, diced tomatoes, sliced bell peppers, and sliced red onions. Sauté for a few minutes until the vegetables are tender. Sprinkle in 1 tablespoon of Cajun seasoning, dry thyme, herbes de Provence, and cook for another minute. Pour in the coconut milk, Better Than Bouillon, and chicken broth. Add the frozen vegetables and stir to combine. Let the sauce simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes or until it thickens slightly. Season the sauce with salt and pepper to taste. Combine everything. Slice the cooked Cajun chicken into thin strips. Add the cooked pasta to the skillet with the coconut cream sauce and toss to coat the pasta with the sauce. Add the sliced Cajun chicken to the pasta and gently mix everything together. Serve the Cajun chicken pasta with coconut cream sauce hot, garnished with fresh herbs like chopped parsley or cilantro, if desired. This Cajun chicken pasta with coconut cream sauce is a harmonious blend of spicy and creamy flavors, making it a unique and delicious dish. Adjust the level of Cajun seasoning to your taste, and enjoy your coconut Cajun chicken and pasta. That's a wrap for today's island-inspired culinary journey, my fellow flavor enthusiasts. I hope you enjoyed this taste of paradise and are now equipped with the knowledge and inspiration to bring a bit of island magic to your own kitchen. Remember, the beauty of island cooking lies not only in the ingredients but also in the spirit of sharing and celebration. So, if you whipped up one of our recipes, share it with #OscarIslandStyle on social media, and let's create a virtual feast together. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more delectable island delights, and ring that notification bell to stay updated on our latest gastronomic adventures. Until next time, may your dishes be flavorful, your spirits be high, and your hearts be as warm as a tropical sunset. Farewell, my friends, and keep the island vibes alive. Oscar Island Style.